This trash is in your head. And now
What?
we're going to take it out.
Have you ever tried a mind map?
A mind map is the most effective way to structure the mess inside your head. It's not surprising that people with attention and concentration problems love using this tool. I want to show you 3 free apps for mind mapping: Xmind, Figma Jam, and Miro. Obsidian is also worth mentioning, but let's save it for another video. Okay, and never underestimate the power of a good old pen and paper. Miro sets the gold standard in this area. Most other developers tend to follow their updates. One of the reasons it's so popular is its huge selection of templates and features. I see it used by marketers all the time. Figma Jam is great because it's built right into Figma. We used it a lot when working with designers, since almost every designer already has it. I use Xmind on a regular basis because it's super convenient on the iPhone. I can gather the necessary info quickly, save it locally or to the cloud, and access it from my other devices later. All of these apps have AI features.
AI means artificial intelligence.
But to be honest, I barely use them. Your main goal is to choose the app that fits your specific needs. You might prefer other apps instead, or even something like Obsidian. How you can use a mind map: to organize your thoughts and clear your mind, to set task prioritize, to cluster or categorize tasks, to brainstorm and solve problems. Personally, I group all my tasks and add details like time, costs, and so on. I also use a question-based system, which I'll cover in one of my future videos.